I'll just take a video from
Look what this is. The dead bumper of my old car. Since we have the new hook run one up there. This is the old bumper up here. And it's been hung up in the ceiling like a sort of trophy, if you will. And this is like the work area up here. You can see that. And it's been wired. And an LED bulb is in there. It's pretty cool. It's very cool. You turn the light off? Turn it off for a second. See this? Oh, this is so cool. That's run. Oh, that's amazing. It looks extra cool because of the dents in it. See all the wear and tear of its lifetime. It's had a good life. How old would it be? How many years?
13.
13 years. Oh, I locked it.
Just stop recording, please.
All right. Yeah. All those fools. Ow!